So once you have defined the project, now you know what you're doing. The next thing would be to measure the current performance of the process. And I'm again going back to my simple example where the defect rate was 10% and we wanted to reduce that to 2%. So in the measurement phase, what you need to do is you need to measure the current performance of the process. And for any measurement, you need to understand some basic statistical concepts. In this basic statistical concepts, we will be talking about mean, mode, median and standard deviation. Then after understanding these basic statistical concepts, we will talk about data collection. Let's remember here that as a Six Sigma yellow belt, you are not leading an improvement project. The improvement projects are led by Six Sigma green belt or Six Sigma black belt. Six Sigma green belt leads a small size project. Six Sigma black belt leads the bigger size or the complex projects. What Six Sigma yellow belt does is yellow belt supports the green belt and the black belt in whatever project they are. So the role of yellow belt is to support Six Sigma projects. One of the important aspect here would be data collection. A lot of times Six Sigma yellow belts get involved in data collection because Six Sigma yellow belts are people expert in their own work processes. So you are the person as a yellow belt who is actually working on the process. So one of the responsibility which you would have in this Six Sigma project is data collection. So you need to understand the philosophies or the concepts related to data collection, which will include data collection plan. You need to understand the difference in different types of data. The data could be qualitative, quantitative. You need to understand that difference as well. And then we will be talking about different data collection techniques. So these are the things which we will be covering in the data collection section of the measurement phase. In measurement phase, we will be talking about MSA. MSA is measurement system analysis. Measurement system analysis basically helps you in understanding how accurate, how reliable your data is. So you need to make sure that whatever data you are collecting is reliable, is consistent. For that, we will be using the concept of measurement system analysis. In that, we will be talking about gauge repeatability and reproducibility. We will be just touching on these topics because these are the complex topics and we will learn more about these as we go further into Six Sigma concepts. So once we go to the green belt course or once we go to the black belt course, we will have these concepts in more detail, but at the yellow belt stage, we will just have the overview of the measurement system analysis. So these are the topics covered in the measurement phase.